Hello, Facebook. Hi, everybody. Jamie here. It is cocktail time with Jamie. Sorry, I have not been on in a while. It has been a crazy busy summer. I can't seem to find that 4:30, 5 o'clock time to get live. So I decided I was going to force myself today to be live and bring you a cocktail of the day, go over some events that we have coming up, and just kind of be present and be here, and hopefully people will start joining me. So I see some people joining now. If you are watching me live, if you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching on the replay, if you can put hashtag replay. I'd like to see who's here, so give me a thumbs up, tell me where you're watching from, and drop me a comment. Maybe you have a favorite drink that you really enjoy making, and you want to share it with me, and I can share it with everybody here on Facebook. So yesterday, Marcus and I were at a wine festival in Cold Springs, and when we were, hello Dawn, nice to see you on, thank you. We were in Cold Springs. There were lots of distilleries and some wineries there, and we got to reunite with a bunch of people that we really haven't seen in a while. We got to meet a couple of winemakers and see winemakers again. So that was really cool. So when we were up in the Finger Lakes for one of our wine tours, which I think was our last wine tour, or we were up there maybe with Courtney, I can't remember, we found La Monnaie at one of the breweries we were at, and it's a Meyer lemon aperitif, and they make a couple of different kinds. They make an orange lime. They also make a Meyer lemon with cucumber, and then they also make this raspberry lavender. And so I thought I would make a spritz today with the raspberry lavender. So stay tuned for that. It's pretty simple, pretty easy to make. I hope you stay on with me. Let's see. Tonight we have our agave tasting. So that starts at 6:30. So Marcus will be doing agave spirits. So bacanora, tequila, sotol, mezcal. He'll be doing a educational experience as well as tasting all of those agave spirits. And so that starts at 6:30. It is being served with a cold, I believe, calamari salad. I don't know if it's cold or not, but it looks really good. So super excited about tasting that tonight. So that's tonight at 6:30. Next Monday, we have a wine tasting at 6:30. It is 4 wines in a dish for $35. Tonight's dinner is $39. So it's, I think he has 5 tequila agave spirits that you'll be tasting from Mexico. He'll talk about them, and it is $39. And then, let's see, Wednesday night, we have a great event here in our garden. And we're usually closed on Wednesday nights, but we are opening for the premiere of an episode that appeared on Hudson TV on Marcus and I. They came and they interviewed us, and they did a show on us last October, and it's just coming out. And so we'll be showing that in our garden along with a Nevele, some information on the Nevele. There was a guy who went in and explored the Nevele behind the scenes, Nevele in the ruins of the Nevele. So that was really cool. So they'll be here on Wednesday night. That starts at 6:30. We're putting up complimentary appetizers, and then our bar will be open. The kitchen will not be open. It will just be those complimentary appetizers on Wednesday. That starts at 6:30. I believe the showing will start like 7:30, and we'd love for you to join us. They are asking for a donation of $10 donation, and you can go to Eventbrite and search Hudson TV, and that event will show up. I believe Marcus also has a link on our Aroma Thyme Facebook page where you can go and make reservations and also leave a donation. We'd love for you to join us. So let's see. Thanks everybody. Hello Matthew. Hello Cheryl. Thank you for watching me. Really appreciate it. Really appreciate everybody's support. As most of you know, I started these Facebook Lives in March of 2020. So I'm almost coming up on, I'm over 2.5 years now. And I will continue them as much as I possibly can, making a cocktail, bringing it to you, talking about our events. Let's see, we also have the Blueberry Festival here in Ellenville next Saturday. That is a street festival. That is next Saturday. We have a wine tasting next Monday. Oh, and our crawfish boil, which will be August 21st. We ask that you go online and buy tickets on Eventbrite. If you need help with that, you can go ahead and give us a call here at Aroma Thyme. So lots of cool stuff coming up, exciting stuff, and can you believe it is already August and we are almost done with our summer. Justin is home finally after 8 weeks of baseball in Tennessee. So he is home and he'll be home for 2 weeks and then back up to college. And we look forward to seeing you here at Aroma Thyme when you are in Ellenville and want to stop in for a good meal. So I'm going to put some ice in my glass. And I am going to add Prosecco. And then I am going to add a splash, probably about an ounce of the raspberry lavender lemon. It's a Meyer lemon aperitif. Let's see, you can find out about lemon at drinklemone.com, DRINKLEMONE, to discover more zesty ideas of what you can use this for. So thank you everybody for watching me. I appreciate it. I'm going to add a splash of the lemon into my Prosecco, and we love Fantanel Prosecco. This is one of our favorite Proseccos from Italy. Amazing family, love what they're doing, and so we love to support them. So let's go ahead and give this a swirl. Ooh, it smells good. If I had a lemon, I would put a lemon in there. So I would serve it with a little bit of lemon, drop that in, and lavender, it's dry, lavender and raspberry lemonade. Yes, it is yummy, nice and refreshing on a really hot day like today. So here it is, everybody. Hope you are having an awesome day, staying cool, get out there, exercise, walk. I just did a 3-mile walk. Boy, it was hot. Give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching me. I appreciate it. Check us out, aromatymebistro.com. Check out our Facebook page. All of our events are up there. We'll have lots of cool stuff coming up, even into September. So cheers. Oh, one more thing. If you are interested in traveling to the Finger Lakes with us, we're doing a trip on November 6th through the 9th. You can do 2 days or 3. So the 6th and 7th, leave on the 8th, or you can add an extra day and stay till the 9th. We have some seats left for our Mexico trip. If you would like to travel to Mexico with us in October, let us know right away. We'd love to have you travel with us. So hope everybody has an awesome day. Cheers, and we will catch you all soon.